What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D-Gil coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Nike Overbreak times Undercover shoes. Let's get into it. Now, I purchased both of these in a size 13. I recommend going up a size. I kind of rotate between a 13 and a 14, but I mainly wear 13s, and these are pretty tight on me. So I definitely say go up a size or maybe up half a size. As you guys look in this shoe, first thing you guys are going to notice is the balance and the chaos. And on the back, they both just say Undercover. There's Jun Takahashi, which is super dope. And then when you look more like in the swoosh area, and put one down, you guys can see like there's a little rose. They also put like an old Nike tag right here. And that's Nike and Undercover. And like I said on the back, you can see like this midsole is super unique. And I've worn these actually a couple times. I really like the tan more than I like the black, but I think they're both dope. I was able to hit both of these on the sneakers app, which was pretty cool because I don't really hit in the sneakers app ever. And I just really like this shoe. I like all the materials on it. I think the suede right here is super nice. And then I like the little different pattern right here. It kind of gives me like a Yeezy vibe. And then the inside, there's nothing really special about it. Just like a standard Nike shoe, just a little mesh. And then I like the silver. I think that looks super good. And also the silver swoosh on this one is super dope. And that they added like the little tan elements. I like that they kind of did both tan, because I think tan shoes are super slept on. And you guys see the pattern on the bottom, also very unique. These are super comfortable. As you see, this midsole is super big. I kind of look at these as like a Nike Balenciaga type style shoe. And I was never really a fan of Balenciaga. I didn't really like the little thick midsoles, but I think these look super dope and unique. And I'm actually a big fan of Nike times Jun Takahashi. I have a couple pieces and I like the balance and the chaos. I think it looks super dope. As you guys can see, these have held up really nice too. Like, I've worn this one probably twice, and I worn this one a little more, but they still look pretty good. One thing though is you get kind of like scuffs on here. And I'm sure this would stain really easy. And I don't know if it would come out if you got it like really dirty, but I haven't really gotten dirty at all. I think this is just a great shoe. Now, I think these shoes are a sleeper. I definitely would recommend them to you guys. I'll drop you guys both the product numbers so you guys can go check them out. These are just such a unique shoe, and it's like, they stand out. And I think that it looks super dope and would be great for the summer. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'm out.